Hey everybody, super excited about this one. We've got a car seat repair that we're doing. My buddy in Alabama has a customer that has a 1973 Toyota Land Cruiser, and it needs apparently a little seat repair on the driver's seat. What's interesting about this is that we're not doing anything other than a restoration of the original material that came with it, and it wasn't even original from the manufacturer, it was original from the dealer. So I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute, but we're gonna get this opened up. Wow, he did a good job wrapping this up. As I said before, thank goodness for social media. Here's the sample of the material that I was able to source. And as you can see, it matches up beautifully to what the existing pattern is. This is the back seat. This is the part that we will not be restoring or repairing. This is what we're going to be matching our pattern to. This over here, however, is the bottom of the seat and is the area that we're going to need to completely redo. I haven't started peeling back yet to see how extensive the foam damage is, but I'm already getting the feeling that we're gonna have to refoam this as well. So there's a lot of fun things that we're gonna be doing here. I already have the material for the top. Now that it's arrived, I can see exactly what type of piping we're gonna need as well as boxing material. So I'll inspect the springs as well. Hopefully everything will be good there, but if not, we'll just continue adding to the project.